Where are we, Scarlett?
We are in... What's the called again?
We're in Staffordshire. It's a little Easter break, so for everyone at home watching, hope you had a lovely Easter bank holiday. Today's Monday, and we're going to Alton Towers. So, little trip. Sienna, we're going to go on some rides.
Yeah.
So, ironically, this time last year, we were in LA at Disneyland. So, we felt we need some roller coasters. So, we're going to go and jump on some at Alton Towers. We've not been in years, have we? I don't even think Sienna's been.
By the way, me and Molly were looking on memories from yesterday, a year ago, and we're doing the bike thing across the beach.
Oh, right,
so
okay.
If you if you're wondering what we're on about, go watch that video from
It was
LA.
the LA series from last April, wasn't it? So we've stayed at the Holiday Inn right near Stoke Football Stadium. Dead basic, really nice, really clean. And now we get a free breakfast. Let's go get breakfast.
What?
So Sienna's first, what you got? Cocoa Pops. Sausages look nice and bacon was nice and fresh, wasn't it, Lyndsey? Toast. Scarlett's on special K.
And the hot chocolate's really, really nice.
Good breakfast. To the car. Let's go. Alton Towers. So we're here. It's tipping it down. She's just, we didn't tell her. What is this, Scarlett?
We are not waiting 40 minutes.
So they just said that because we're near the back there, they said it'd be about a 40-minute wait. So we're going to do what Lyndsey loves to do when we go to a theme park anyway. And walk around. Really nice when you hood up there, Lyndsey. Lyndsey's just spotted a glimmer of blue sky.
We may need that sun cream afterwards.
She was about to buy a £20 poncho.
I wasn't. I was saying it's ridiculous.
Oh, right. Ridiculous. I wonder if she'd say no if I went, well, I'll get you one. Yeah, right. So it's about a 15-minute walk from the normal parking. It's like doing the garden walk at Universal, isn't it, Lind? Without a hood. Not too bad a walk. It must have been a roller coaster at some point. Anyone knows what ride that was from, please let us know. What, you thought you got on a roller coaster to get in the door?
Yeah.
We're in. So we just asked one of the guides and they're saying to go straight around to Rita and 13. And I think we're going to try and get on Wickerman. And then I really want to do Smiler again. What? And then I'm going to take you on Oblivion.
What's Oblivion?
Zhoosh! So it's 10:05. It does seem pretty quiet. I think we're expecting it to be busy today with it being a bank holiday Monday. We've just looked on the app.
The rain might have put people off.
Hopefully the rain's put people off. Well, you know what I mean by hopefully. It gives us a better day. Not for other people to be, oh, I'm not going now. Smiler currently showing 30 minutes already. But 13 is showing 10 and Rita's showing 5. So we're hoping we can get to the back and do some cheeky ones. Look at the rain, just like wandering from everywhere though. Return of the red pram. Ironically, that pram's been in my boot since we got back from Orlando 6 weeks ago.
So I had to scrub it up yesterday and get all that castle at the back is giving Harry Potter vibes.
Yeah, a little bit. What are you doing? Castle's beautiful. There used to be like a show in there, didn't there, Linz? I don't know if this still is. So yeah, it's Hex. That's the new one, I think. Hex, the Legend of Towers. Come around and hopefully that's open later. Hopefully, this is an indication of the day. I doubt it, but hopefully. Lynn, you look like you're going deep sea diving.
It's not even raining right now.
It's not even raining right now. Rita first. Here we go. Trying to find out if we do baby swap. There we go. So he is going to let us do rider swap. So Lyndsey's staying near the exit and he's going to let us straight through, which is lovely. Oh, we're hoping those wait times stay all day. That would be amazing.
Imagine.
5 minutes. Front row. Here we go.
That was sick.
Is that good?
So cool.
Here's Mummy and Scarlett. Here he comes, Cece. They're gonna come round again. There they go. Here they come. They're gonna come round this bit now on the back. You see them with your what's-its around your mouth? How's that, girls?
Oh my god!
Just takes ages to get on, doesn't it? It's like there's no queue, but it just takes ages. Right, on to 13. Time for 13. Here you go. Here's your death ride. Here we go. To that one.
So good.
Did you think it was good?
Yeah, it was really cool. It was like,
First time you ever ride it. Obviously, I don't want to say too much. Well, you'll see it possibly on the video. But that little drop, because you were expecting that, weren't you?
yeah, it was like
5:13, hun.
Oh, it was amazing. Forgot how good that was. Really, really good.
So at the minute, the app's showing, so Galactica, which is the new Air, is showing 0 minutes.
Maybe because that's down.
No, it's on, otherwise it'd take closed.
Do you not think
Nemesis is
13
closed.
a bit of a rip-off of Hagrid's?
Possibly, but I think it was here before Hagrid's.
Yeah, right.
So maybe Hagrid's is a rip-off of 13.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do, we're going to go try and go and do Galactica.
Yeah.
And then I think we're going to go around to the kids bit and let this one do some rides. Do you want to do some rides in like a while? Yeah? Good girl. So they're all showing 0 minutes. Oblivion included showing 0 minutes. Wickerman showing 35 and Smiler's showing 40, so we're going to try and do them later in the day. So we can't be walking for ages to get round to Galactica. Yeah. Here's the Haunted Mansion. CC's going to have a little sleep, we think. Here's Alton Manor. I think this is the new ride, I think. So we're going to come back and do that one when we've finished on Galactica. But one thing that's guaranteed here is you will get your steps in. Monorail! Scarlett! So we're gutted that our favourite ride here that we've been on is Nemesis, and it's closed for the whole year. So I think they're redoing the whole track. Oh man.
It is old.
What?
It is old.
You're what? So the roller coaster restaurant, we've never been there. That used to be the gift shop, didn't it? So it's been that long since we've been. If we've said this already, though, I'm sorry for repeating myself. But last time we came here, Galactica was there. Sienna wasn't even born. I think Scarlett was probably Sienna's size.
Oh look, and I think this up, you can get through here if you're staying on site.
All right. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's where we walked past before. So if you are staying in one of the resorts, you're able to jump in through there. So they're taking the Disney and Universal route of having extra benefits from staying on site. Here we go. Love a hill, don't they? Oh, where is it? There it is. They love a hill here, don't they?
Yeah. I think that.
You're right.
I'm a bit
You always
scared.
tell when Scarlett's a bit scared because she messes with her hair.
Because I don't know, like,
What?
I don't know, because I've never, like, it's weird to be on a roller coaster like that.
On you go. Enjoy.
Shiver me timbers.
Here we go. It does, doesn't it?
It's not scary now.
Told you.
It's speed up.
No, this is as fast as it goes all the way around.
Yeah.
And then you drop into that.
What?
Here we go. It is so good. Like Peter Pan.
Yeah.
What do you think, girls?
Really good.
Liz, you look like Cousin It.
You can see it the whole way around.
The thing is, it doesn't seem any different to when it was there.
No, it doesn't.
I think it's Galactica's. I think before COVID, you used to wear like a virtual reality mask, so it felt like you were flying through space. But I imagine I had to get rid of that because of germs and all that funny stuff. So it's just back to being air, but not air. Now it's Galactica. Enjoy it, babe.
Yeah, it's good.
Scarlett said it's better than some of the Universal rides. That she was really scared getting on. That would make a really good Peter Pan ride at Disney.
Yeah, it would.
Time for the Curse of Alton Manor, the brand new ride. Excited?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit spooky in here. So Lyndsey's too scared for this one, so they're going to go on the mine train. Mwah, mwah. Go on, Lyns, get them knees up. Go on, Lyns. You ready?
So ready.
So this has only been open like 2 weeks.
Is it?
Yep. I thought Sienna had gone on the mine train. Costs a few quid if you want to buy it.
On the final chime of midnight, the manor appeared to be struck by a storm of supernatural proportions.
scared.
That's your entire life in a day.
Scarlett, what did you think?
I don't think I'm gonna sleep for another.
You were jumping loads. Is it good?
Oh, whoop, jump scare!
And then out into the gift store. Did you enjoy that?
Kind of.
You think Mummy would have liked it?
Kind of. I think you would have screamed as much as I did.
I mean, you've not been yet, but that is pretty much what Halloween Horror Nights at Universal's like, with things jumping out and trying to scare you.
Yeah, I don't think I've lost 10 minutes.
Well, they do like a Halloween thing here. Can you imagine? They'll have loads of extra things probably jumping out at you. It was fun. I thought that was good, that. I enjoyed it.
It was good, but scary.
So, while me and Scarlett went on that, where did you go? Was it good?
Yeah, she was.
Look at little face. Was it fun?
We were all shouting, one more time, and we just kept going round. And
Did you?
round.
Did you go around 3 times?
Yeah, we were going.
Was you a big
"Yay!"
girl? Was it like the Snow White's runaway mine train?
It was actually.
Seven
yeah.
Dwarfs mine train, sorry. Scarlett, we were saying earlier that Galactica would make a good Peter Pan ride.
Yeah.
You could fly. Where are we going now? More rides. We maybe go on the Octonauts ride. Yeah, and Postman Pat. They're good ones. Time to get dizzy. Dizzy.
They're like beer barrels.
So Sienna wasn't allowed on, she's not big enough. So them two are spinning. I mean, Sienna are gonna go on the pirate ship. Are you excited? She was a little bit upset she couldn't go on that one. So we're gonna go on this instead, aren't we, you and me? Oh, it's cold. Here you go. Are you excited? Here we go. Yeah, they get to go on the rubbish one. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! We're spinning! Whoa! Sienna, I'm getting so dizzy! Is it good?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Here we go! What's the matter? Only 2 on?
Yeah.
It's gone very dark all of a sudden, hasn't it? Should we go on Postman Pat? You want to go on Postman's Pat?
Yeah, I can do that.
You want to go on that one?
Yeah.
Let's go! CC, let's go!
Okay, let's go.
Special delivery! The rain's just kicked in. Oh my goodness. No Florida weather, is it? Well, technically this is actually.
Yeah.
Wow. 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 Just saying how long it takes them to get you into a ride. Actual Royal Mail's quicker than these. Right, I think we're going to we're going to wait for a car to come round. We'll wait another 15 minutes and then we'll run round. There we go. Here's our car.
Right.
Right, let's go for it. Let's go, go, go! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Enjoy, girls. Now, Sienna, no crashing. Oh, Postman Pat.
Down safely. Make sure you stay like that. I've
Who's
loaded
beeping
up
the horn,
parcel.
Sienna?
If you need to deliver a parcel, press the button that matches it. Hey,
Who's doing beep, beep, beep?
there's Couch
Oh no, diversion!
Something's missing.
Sorry,
What
guys.
can he use to pull the carriages?
Not sitting around.
Did you send her a letter? Well done, Royal Mailers. Sienna, Scarlett, well done.
Please
together, I want you to sing.
Postman
We are
Pat,
dead rap, we
Postman
are
Pat,
dead rap.
Postman Pat, Danny's black and white cow.
Postman Pat.
So while it's raining, we're gonna line up for the night garden. Yes, it's time for Wiggle Piggle. Enjoy, girls. To the night garden we go. Is it nap time, Cece?
Let's sit back and relax.
The Ninky Nong.
You've got
What's your name?
That's how it goes.
Gently
Nut jobs.
down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily.
Maka paka wika waka maka paka boo.
Wiggle, piggle, wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yes, my name is Wiggle Piggle.
Getting into this, Lens. You liking yourself there? Well, we're undercover. This is a good idea, Lyndsey. Oh no, it's not. Sienna! Enjoying yourself, Lens? Where are we going? Be flying!
Happy flying!
You wish for me radishes? Here we come.
Wow!
Could you just keep your phone away whilst the ride's in motion, please? Could you just keep your phone away, thank you.
Sienna, is it good?
What we need is a TikTok video. Brilliant!
Wow!
Guess what, guys?
What?
My tummy was wobbly.
Was it? You like that one, didn't you? Time for Octonauts. And you get. Girls, enjoy. Sienna.
Again! Let's go again! Let's go again! Let's go! There is one friend.
That's it. Did you like that, Cece?
Yeah!
Was it good?
Amazing!
Did you like that?
Yes! So good! Amazing!
So apparently, Smiler and Oblivion are closed at the moment, but we have a wander around and find out what's going on. So apparently they're closed because of high wind. You got wind? So I've just stopped at Just Chicken while we wait to see if these rides reopen. What you ordered, girls?
But it's not just chicken, it's got chips as well.
We can hear in the background there's a Smiler.
Chicken.
So we ordered some fries and some chicken chunks. What was that, £16?
Yeah.
10 chicken chunks and a large fries. Expensive, isn't it? And there was a gravy, but it came and it was like a drip of gravy, so Scarlett just took it back because it was pretty much empty.
We had some just for fries, to be fair.
A bit more gravy now.
The chips aren't cooked.
No, not the best, is it?
No.
So I had to take the chips back because they were undercooked. That came empty. Not sure we're recommending this one, are we? Score out of 10?
1, 2.
2. What score are you giving it, Sienna? Yeah, I'm going to give it a 2. It's crap. not to come again. And it was really dirty on the floor. To be fair, like Alton Towers has been really good today, but this was rubbish, awful. Don't come to Just Chicken. Just stay away.
And then
So these two are both still closed. The high winds. It seemed that windy though, to be fair, but what can we do? What should we do? Hang around or go and have a look at Wickham?
down to Oblivion.
Okay. What for?
What's that? Just go down and see what they say.
Time for a big girl ride. What are we doing?
Wickham, isn't it?
Yeah, we're excited for this one, aren't we?
Yeah, I think this is the one we're most excited for.
So it's nearly 2 o'clock. It's still not really that busy, is it? Wickham are now showing a 20-minute wait. I think the weather's put a lot of people off today. Which has worked to our benefit. You sound cheesy. This looks epic. Wow. How good does this look?
So cool.
Looks good. So strangely, they have no baby swap. So Sienna's riding with us. Well, she's queuing with us, and we're hoping that when we get to the front, they'll let 2 of us on, and then let the other 2 back on. A bit strange that they have no kind of rider swap system, isn't it? How are families supposed to do? Otherwise, like 45 minutes each to wait.
I'd say that was more an hour, but
Well, we've only been here for 30 minutes. Excited. So they're gonna let Lyndsey wait with Sienna at the entrance there, and then I come off and go around the exit, and they're gonna let us through. So they don't normally do that, but they told us to do it at the front. It does seem a bit strange that the families can't seem to access a ride without having to ride twice. Anyway, we're on. Let's enjoy it. Ready? What do you think?
it's really good.
No, I thought it was alright. But it was okay. It's quick. There's the girls. What did you think?
I loved it. Really,
What
really
did you think,
loved it.
Scarlett?
Really
I thought it was alright.
Reminds me of the Big Dipper.
Yeah, a little bit. It's Sienna. What did you think of the ride? And then you didn't go on, you're too small. And you come out into a shop. As always. I think the theming and the whole build-up is actually better than the ride itself, but it was alright. So the rides over that end, Oblivion and Smiler, are still shut, so we're going to go and see some fishes. Wow!
Look at this, it's funny. This fish likes me.
Wow! Someone asked him.
Banner. Scarlett.
Cool. Go on, kid. Scarlett. Scarlett, how's it feel?
Feels really weird.
She probably said the same about you.
Do you hear that, Scarlett? They have one called Scarlett.
Who is it? What's with the silly squeal? Is it Emo?
Pills for Paley.
There you go, Lyndsey. I found someone as snappy as you. So for the record, Scarlett told us earlier that these are £20, these ponchos. They're not. The adult one's £9. Could have known that. I got one at the beginning of the day.
Yeah.
Well, to be fair, we've not really got that wet, have we? Apart from that storm that we had on Postman Pat. What's Mummy gone to get? Hopefully the donuts are better than the chicken. So unfortunately, the donut machine was broke after waiting 10 minutes. You paid as well, didn't you? Yes, but they give you a voucher to go and get some around here. So hopefully the donut machine's around here. Smile and Oblivion are still down. They've been down they've been down since about 11 o'clock. It's now 20 to 5, so it's not looking good, is it? Not looking good at all. So we'll see how we get on. We're going to wander around here, but you can see the wind there. So if you've got a little breeze down here, then they're definitely going to be a high wind. So we might have to miss them. Woo! Wait for Lyndsey to get her donuts. Otherwise we've got to take her home. Get your 10 donuts, go on.
I can't live without my donuts.
You have to get 20 because you can have 10 yourself. The first time all day she looks happy.
Who wants a donut?
Oh! They're that fresh. Did you catch it all?
I don't want donuts.
Come on then, hurry up. Alright, get on with it. Any good, Linds? Yeah? Are they good, CC?
You said you didn't like this stuff. Well, I think it is.
I'm going in, sorry. Jenny, you're living your best life. This one's flipping. Oh! What a numpty. Your donuts.
Me. Best thing all day.
So you're going to rate them?
10.
10? You gave Voodoo Donut a 10. How can you give them a 10?
I know, I think when you've just like good them are.
A 5.
Alright. No, they're not
5? That's harsh.
An 8.
Well,
An 8.
10.
They're a 10 for here, okay?
110 for you.
Chocolate and stuff all over.
How's your donuts? What score are you giving it? Not ready yet. How's your tummy?
It's fine actually. I'm gonna try again.
She'll bounce back up now. She's got a coat back on.
Stretch.
I'll try one thing before I do it.
Come on, get on with it.
1, 2, 3.
Well, she can normally do it every time. Well, don't do it then on the grass. So it's 5 o'clock. We're giving up.
We're daddy.
We really wanted to. I really wanted to go and Smile at Oblivion, but it's still closed. So we're gonna have to leave it. Gives us an excuse to come back.
It does, but can we come back when the weather is slightly warmer?
Well, I would have expected it to be this week. Really. I mean, the last few days have been lovely, but anyway, Scarlett's ran off into the shop as per usual.
Jolly.
You can jolly well ranch her off. One last ride of the day, Scarlett. Hopefully.
The winds are off with the wind.
The only wind on this will be yours. Ride the monorail. Oh, it's like that horror ride again.
Welcome.
Scarlett. It's like a horror ride again. Sienna, are you ready for the monorail? So we're off the monorail. We're going to go back to the car now and drive home. So we're going to finish the video here. Have we had a good day today, girls? What's been your favourite ride?
I think my favourite is probably the one where you felt like you're flying the
Is it called?
old air.
Yeah, the old air.
The old air.
What about you, Lens?
I don't know. I loved 13. Loved
Yeah,
it.
13 was good.
That was
Rita's good.
Yeah.
We've had a good day.
We've
You had a good day?
The new ride. I actually really like the new ride.
Wickerman.
Yeah, that one.
It was all right.
Like the car one.
You like the car one, so it's hailstoning. So the umbrella's just gone up.
Yeah.
We've got a long drive, about 2.5 hour drive now. So we're going to finish the vid here.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell, and comment down below your favourite theme park in the UK.
Oh yeah, favourite theme park. Fair enough. Give us some tips, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Hi everyone. Thanks for staying with us right to the end of this video. We wanted to use this opportunity to make you aware of a new venture we've started. We've set up an independent travel agency. So for anyone in the future that wants to book any dream trips to Disney, Universal, America, please give us a DM over on Instagram at Hackett Family Travels, and hopefully we can make that dream trip come true. We're going to make sure that this is a bespoke service so we can support you as well with your planning and your itinerary. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.